Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Activtrak, one of the leading workforce analytics and productivity monitoring tools in 2025. Is it just another employee tracker or a true game changer for team performance? Let's dive in. This is the Activtrak homepage. Right away, you can tell the focus is on data-driven productivity, hybrid work insights, and helping managers understand how work really happens without invading privacy. Let's go through the key sections of the site to see what the platform offers. Product. Here you get an overview of all the features, from real-time activity tracking to productivity reports, app usage, and behavior analytics. Solutions. This tab breaks things down by need. Whether you're focused on boosting productivity, managing remote teams, or improving operational efficiency. Pricing. There's a free version with limited features and paid plans starting at a competitive rate. Scaling based on team size and feature access. Resources. Lots of helpful case studies, guides, and webinars. Great if you're new to workforce analytics. Demo. Want to test it? You can book a live demo or start with the free plan to see it in action. Here's what really sets Activtrak apart. Insightful dashboards. You get clear visual reports showing active time, focus time, app usage, and even burnout risk indicators. It's not about spying, it's about empowering smarter work habits. Pros. Real-time productivity insights without micromanaging privacy-first approach. No keystroke logging or webcam access. Great for hybrid and remote teams. Behavioral trend analysis to spot burnout, distractions, or workflow bottlenecks. Free version available to test the core features. Cons might feel invasive if not properly communicated to teams. Setup and customization can take time. Some advanced analytics lock behind higher tier plans. Not ideal for very small teams or freelancers. If you manage a remote or hybrid team and want to drive real productivity without micromanaging, Activtrak is absolutely worth it. It helps you balance team well-being with performance and gives you the data to back your decisions. It's not about surveillance. It's about smart leadership. Check it out for yourself at Activtrak. Drop your thoughts or questions below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest 2025 software reviews. See you next time.